Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this Antler Bloom plant in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the Christmas plants in Grow a Garden Christmas update. And I'm going to show you guys how you can get this Antler Bloom. If you want to get the Antler Bloom seed, you need to have the Santa's surprise present. And you can buy the Santa's surprise present from this Christmas shop right here guys. Okay, this is the Santa's surprise present, and you will have 8% possibility to get the Antler Bloom seed. Okay, you can also join the Christmas harvest event. You can submit Christmas mutated plants, and when you reach 200 points, you will get reward, and the reward can be the Santa's surprise present. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my garden and show you the Antler Bloom tree. Okay, this is the Antler Bloom guys, this one. And yeah, it's pretty. And I'm going to check the base value. Let's see how much this is worth for the Antler Bloom. Oh, the value is around 100k shekels. So it's worth guys to keep in our garden. And it's unique. And okay guys, that's all about the Antler Bloom and Grow a Garden game opera vlogs new Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.